This video explains how to operate macro function of the HVS-490. Macro is a function that allows multiple operations to be stored and recalled in a single operation. The HVS-490 can store up to 100 macros or 10 events times 10 pages. One operation is called an action. Number 00 to 89 can store up to 30 actions, and a maximum of 100 actions can be registered for number 90 to 99. Use number 90 to 99 when recording fader or joystick operations, as the number of actions increases. This time, register the action to call the sequence and the action to play it back, which you created last time. Press the Rec button in the Macro section at the top of the ME2 column. Press the Sequence button on the keypad to recall the previously registered sequence. Go to the Edit menu and play back the sequence. When sequence playback is complete, press the Rec button in the Macro section again to end macro recording. Then press the Store button and press the number you wish to save. A beep will sound and the macro will be saved. As macros are recorded in real time for each operation, use the Macro Edit menu to set the execution interval for each action. Press the Macro key to open the setting menu. Open the macro sequence. Select the action for which you want to change the duration and press F2 to adjust. The duration can also be entered using the keyboard by pressing F2. This time, we want to set the duration of each action to 1. Go to page 2 and you can also set the macro name. Recalling the saved macro. Press the Macro button in the keypad section. Press the Page button on the Memory section and select the page using the buttons 0 to 9. Press the number you have just saved and press Recall to recall it. The sequence is recalled and runs through to playback. Or press the Bus button in the Macro section to switch the key FlexiKey row in the ME2 row to macro memory. The display also switches to the macro display. It is also possible to call up a macro by pressing the button with the registered number, which you can change of your choice.